Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera distortion on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. If you want to fix this problem, go back and restart phone. Click power button and volume up button at that time and you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings and click on reset setting. Enter your phone pin, click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your process is done. But if it's still not working, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on additional settings, scroll down and click on developer option, scroll down and search media settings from here. Click on media DRM setting. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera distortion on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.